everyone, welcome to Easy Learn. This is Usha. Let's see 11th problem. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Here 27x cube can be written as 3 cube x cube. That means 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into, from these three terms ABC we know, right? A is 3x into y into z. So it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Clear? Now which can be written as a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Clear? So the given question is in this form. So we have to write in this form to factorize. Clear? Now what is there in the place of A? A is equal to 3x. In the place of B, y. Z is in the place of C. Clear? Now substitute in the identity ABC values. 3x whole cube plus y cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z is equal to, we have to substitute ABC values. So 3x plus y plus z into 3x whole square plus y square plus z square minus 3x into y minus y into z minus z into 3x. Clear? Now write this trinomial as it is. 3x plus y plus z into 3x whole square means 3 square x square, that is nothing but 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. Right? Let's see 12th problem. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So we have to show LHS is equal to RHS. Here I am taking RHS first. I am simplifying RHS. So 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Clear? Now if we want to expand or if we want to simplify this whole squares, we can apply identity here, right? A minus b whole square identity here we are applying equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Now 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into, here if I apply the say a minus b whole square identity, what it will become? X square plus y square minus 2xy plus y square plus z square minus 2yz plus z square plus x square minus 2zx. Clear? Now 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into, here 1x square, here 1x square, x square plus x square 2x square Here 1y square here. So plus 2y square plus z square 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Here 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into 2 we can take common, right? 2 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Clear? Now 2 will get cancelled. What remained? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, which is nothing but x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. We have an identity, right? From x cube minus y plus y cube plus z cube equal to minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy y minus yz minus zx. Clear? From this identity we can write x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx as x cube y cube x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which we have in the problem as LHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So hence verified. Clear? Let's see 13th problem. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. We have an identity. We know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Here in the problem it is given as x plus y plus z equal to 0. So if we substitute in this identity, what it will become? Minus 3xyz equal to 0 into something. 0 into, in this place we have 0, right, in the problem. So 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So 0 into something will become 0. Here x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0. So from this what we can write? If we take minus 3xyz to other side, it will become x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to, if we take minus 3xyz to other side, it will become plus 3xyz. This is what he asked to prove, right? Let's see 14th problem. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. Let's see the first bit. Minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube, which is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay, equal to 3ab, we can write. When this is applicable, when a plus b plus, if a plus b plus c value is 0. Let us check whether A, B, C sum will become 0 or not. Minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. Minus 12 plus 7 plus minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5. It will become 0, right? So therefore, minus 12 whole cube plus 7 whole cube plus 5 whole cube is equal to 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. So what it will become? 12 5s are 60. 60 into 21, 1260. Therefore, minus 12 whole cube plus 7 whole cube plus 5 cube value is 1260. Without multiplying, without actually calculating the cubes, we found the value, right? In this way, we have to solve these problems, right? Let's see second bit. Here, first we have to check whether a plus b plus c equal to 0 or not. 28 minus 15 minus 13 is equal to 0, right? So minus 15 minus 13 is 28. Minus 28. Minus 28 plus 28 will become 0. So therefore, we can apply this formula. Yes? A cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Clear? So, 28 whole cube plus minus 15 whole cube plus minus 13 whole cube is equal to 3 into 28 into minus 15 into minus 13. Clear? If you multiply and simplify, we'll get 16,380. Clear? Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the regular updates of my classes.